Hey, hi Sudikin.
Hi,
Hello,
Sudikin.
hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Uh,
Hello. Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon.
Thanks for joining a bit early. And
Yes. So I
yeah,
am Mustafizur Rahman from IBM Quantum team. I am working in the algorithm and application division. I did my PhD from IIT Kharagpur as well as masters from IIT Kharagpur. And we are doing a couple of good projects and hence we advertise for GRM. So yeah,
Okay.
Richa, you may introduce yourself.
I'm working for Quantum Technical Support Engineer, and we look at clients' hardware, software, midware issues. I also did my PhD from IT Bombay, and this was in collaboration with Tata Institute, TI for Bombay. That's about me. Can you introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Sudikin Pramanik. Right now, I'm doing my MTech in Remote Sensing and GIS from Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, ISRO Dehradun. And my MTech thesis project is on assessment of quantum algorithms over classical algorithms for EO data feature extraction. So recently, I worked on SVM and I completed my 1 year project in half of the given time in December mid-sem.
Right.
Okay.
So, Sudikin, just let us know about your experience in Qiskit. What are the things you have done? How much coding experience you have? These details. And your bachelor's degree is in which stream?
My bachelor's was in physics, sir. Then
Okay,
I did BA. Then I had MSc in physics. Right now I am doing MTech in RS and GIS.
right. I mean, why or how you have been interested in this quantum domain?
Okay, sir. Sir, as it is a new venture for me, so I will go truthful to everything. So after doing MSc Physics, I hopped on to geoinformatics because I like data analysis. But after coming here, after 6 months of our first module, my guide Ashutosh Kumar Jha, he told me that as I was from physics background, I should look into some new computing paradigms, and he introduced me to quantum computing. After that, I
Okay.
really liked that, and from like 2023 December, I have been trying to understand this thing, and now I know a little bit into this domain, not much, sir. But my work mostly is into the data analysis part, so where I used a little bit of quantum machine learning, a very introductory part, and I'm improving from since then and now also.
Yeah, I mean, what are the project that already have implemented in Qiskit? Some examples can you give us?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have done the basic algorithms and I have run the codes in Qiskit. Other than that, I have worked on quantum SVM, quantum neural network, which used it for machine learning things. I worked
So
on little. Yes, sir.
QSVM, did you implement a Qiskit or
Qiskit.
how did you do?
In Qiskit,
Okay,
sir.
okay. So, and also you told that you have done some sort of image processing for your
Yes, sir.
geospatial data.
Yes,
So,
sir.
how did you do that? Like, have you encoded the images into quantum computer? Like,
Yes, sir. So I have done the basic encoding things from angle encoding to phase encoding to everything, from amplitude encoding. Now we are working on different image representation algorithms, starting from FRQI. So our recent work is on FRQI. I just finished encoding the Lena image into FRQI representation, and we are working on NEQR. So we will be working on that from the next week, sir.
so if it FRQI, can you explain? Like, can you explain in 2 minutes how this technique works and what is the qubit complexity to encode a n cross n image and how much gate requirement is there? Any comment can you do? Like, suppose you have given a n cross n image, okay,
Hmm.
n cross n pixels, okay,
Hmm.
simple square matrix,
Hmm.
okay, and how you use the FRQ, how many qubits it required in terms of given n cross n dimensional image?
Okay, sir. Sir, if I have a n cross n dimensional image, then let us say that in the width I have n pixels. So n pixels shall be less than 2 to the power x bits. So if I have 2 to the power x bits by 2 to the power x bits image, then I will require 2 to the power 2x plus 1 number of qubits, where 2 to the power 2x will be the we will assign the position locations, and the 1 bit I'll have for the radiometric resolution assignment, which will be assigned into the angle rotation of the each qubit
So,
position, sir.
so that means you are, so first of all, you are doing a 2D encoding, or you are just taking the matrix as a extended vector and you are encoding the entire vector as a whole, or you are encoding a 2D encoding by the entire column and row together. How you are doing this row and row comma column column wise encoding? Can you explain that part?
So I'll try my best. So sir, if I
Yeah.
let us talk about a square image like Lena. So suppose
Mm,
I have a 2 cross 2 image that corresponds to
mm,
2 to the power 1 bit by 2 to the power 1 bit. In that, sir, I'll have 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. This 0
mhm,
0 has some radiometric value into it. So what I'll do is I'll put this 0 0 as a first 2 qubit state. Then in the third
mm,
state I'll put the radiometric value of it as the rotation in the angle. So first we
mm.
tried to rotate it by a min max scaling of pi by 2, that didn't work properly. Then we tried doing it by the sine inverse function, so that after doing the sine part of it we get back the proper angle, so then it worked for us. So actually we are making a single what will say state representation consisting of multiple individual state tensor product to each other.
Okay. So how much time you are available? I mean, so are you in the second year, first year, which year you are right now in your
i'm
MTech program?
I'm right now in the second year, sir. Hello, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Audible.
Hello, sir.
You can switch off your video
Oh,
if you
okay,
want
okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, ma'am. Yeah.
because it is hanging.
Okay. Sorry,
So,
sorry, ma'am.
so what, like you are completing your degree in say June, July. So what is your plan after that? Like, have you applied to jobs or did you get any job, or are you planning to do PhD? What is your plan? Like, because GRM will require some time, so we need to understand your availability. So can you let us know?
Yes, sir. Sir, first I would like to say that my passion is doing research. I'm a very ardent researcher. Like I'm a good thinker, so I want to pursue PhD or any research-oriented job, even if it is in a professional domain. And sir, for that I have been applying for PhD positions where there is a confluence of quantum computing and machine learning or general area of quantum AI. So Warner Debrow's, Gabriel Cavallaro, Martin Schulz, they work in this domain mostly. And for that I need to really get deeper into this domain. I have this 6 7 months where I can work on it, because I am trying for January 2026 PhD enrollment, not 2025 September enrollment. So I will dedicate my time for this GRM mentorship, and I'm looking forward it too, sir.
Have you already approached to some professors for your PhD?
Sir, I have applied in Gabriel Cafallaro's Iceland research group, and I have also applied to Martin Schulz group. But those will be, sir, after like November, December, that kind of time.
Okay. Yeah, that's good actually. I mean, you are passionate about research and you want to do PhD, and so you have interest in quantum as well as you have interest in physics and geophysics or geospatial data sets and all. So that's I mean, at the intersection, it might be a new area, and you can dig into this particular area to find out lots of opportunities. So, I mean, for the GRM part, we have some commitment from the candidate. Like, we have a couple of projects. So, I asked you in this particular pattern of questions because there is one project with our sustainability team. I'll inform them about your. I mean, I'll give the feedback about you to the team if they are interested at all.
In
So
case
there
if they
are
would be interested, they would be also interviewing you. Is
yes,
that
yes.
fine?
Sir, that's absolutely fine. And sir, I would also like to venture new domains. Like I am only constricted to AI and quantum, but if there is more domain in which I can do work, I am also interested in that. So
So the thing is, see, the GRM project is time limited. Say, for example, 4 to 6 months, and we want that somebody takes a month to understand the problem and then directly can contribute in the implementation and algorithm. Okay, so the exploration is but a bit strict in the GRM project. Outside this, if you have any interesting idea, we are always like we will always welcome you and we'll discuss with you. There is no problem. But specific to the GRM
Yeah.
project, we have a about 4 to 6 months availability. The first 2 3 months you need to work on a project, and we need to bring some meaningful result. In the fourth month, we'll target some good writing some good journal or conference paper, and we'll try to submit it, and the project should close by 6 months. That are targeted project. Okay, like normally when you apply for a 3 months intensive as well in research intensive. Similarly, GRM is a remote intensive. We normally do not pay in this particular kind of GRM project, but if it is a full-time intensive, normally you have to be in person. It is a paid one, but GRM one is unpaid, but remote you can do at your own pace. But at the same time, we need some sort of commitment, like how much time you are available per week, and all. Richa will ask you, Dr. Richa will ask you some questions regarding to that, and I will give your feedback to the team. So that is all from my side. Maybe Richa will ask you a few more questions. Yeah,
Yeah,
Richa.
yeah. Just in terms of hours, how many hours can you commit in a week?
Ma'am, I'm full time working in this domain only, so I can give full
Okay.
time. And my guide is also highly helpful in this area, and he has in fact
Okay.
told me that if you look for better opportunities in quantum where you can do some good work, but that will be beneficial for me and the project also.
Okay,
Yeah,
great.
so GRM might not help you in terms of job at IBM, but if you do good work in this project, so there is a high
Take it
chance
off.
of publishing paper, and that may help you to get a PhD in abroad or somewhere in India as well. So that is there. Okay. And if you are interested for industry job, even in IBM or other companies, so we often have open positions. So please look into our IBM career page. So you can apply directly there. Okay. And GRM is basically a mentorship program. Okay. So some of our team members will mentor you for some projects, and at the end of 6 months, you should get a good published work, something like that. Yeah. So
Ye-
Richa, yeah, you have some more question. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you have already used Qiskit, from what
yes,
I could
ma'am.
understand, and you're comfortable with it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. You also tried V. Have you tried VQE kind of things?
Yes, ma'am.
Venture Quantum ID Hub?
Yes, ma'am. In my recent internship, which I did at VIPS, I started
Okay,
working with VQV, but the problem was the
okay,
problem statement they took was into quantum walk-based algorithm, which was a little bit difficult for me. So I am working
okay,
parallelly in VQV for some 1 or 2 hours a day to understand it in more details. But
okay,
with VQE and QAOA, I'm a little bit comfortable, but not that much, ma'am. But I'm learning into that domain.
okay.
Okay.
That's
So
good.
which organization you did the internship?
Sir, VIPSTC, Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies, they opened a quantum internship opportunity in the month of November. So I applied into there, and the work,
Is it some Indian institute, right? South Indian Institute might be.
sir, it is
I'm not
based
sure.
in Delhi, sir.
Okay.
Really? I've not heard of it.
I have first time hearing this. You are already at ISRO. You should try some like good opportunities. Okay. Opportunities in terms of if you are applying to some quantum position, so you should apply to some research group where the positions itself, like the problem statement and all itself, has some values. Okay. I'm not discouraging you to apply all these
Yes,
institute. They are extremely good, I know. But at the same time, I'll suggest you, because you are completing your MTech, so you should apply to some positions where you may get a job also, right? Like research position, you already showed interest, right?
yes, sir.
So that is an institute, I think, not an like not an company, I hope, right?
Yes, sir.
That's an institute. Yeah, so that's why I'm saying the. So I mean, it's good that you did a intensive there, but parallelly you can explore other options as well. Okay, so GRM has nothing to. I mean, it will not stop you to apply anywhere. Okay, you should apply all other avenues as well. We just need that you are available for a 4 to 6 months of time, and some sort of like 6 to 8 hours kind of commitment per week, or as much as you are available. Okay, so
Yes,
we'll
sir.
we'll give your feedback to the team, like sustainability team and all, because we want to make use of your entire knowledge set. I mean, in terms of your UG, PG, MTech and all. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we have dedicated team, sustainability team. I mean, so we already last year submitted a few some patents on quantum filtering techniques for satellite images and all. Okay,
Yes,
So
sir.
that will be an intersection of your both quantum plus other domain. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and that will be a new opportunity for you to learn these things. Okay, so I'll request you to send one email to either Dr. Richa or me, stating that stating a bit more on the FQRI technique,
Okay,
the
sir.
image encoding technique, and if you have any GitHub profile or anywhere that you showed some code demonstration or any link, okay, website link,
Okay,
so
sir.
those things will be helpful for us to actually evaluate in terms of the other teams. Like when we'll be sending your profile with some note, okay, this
Yes,
candidate
sir.
is potentially good and all, so they will ask us like, can you show some proof in terms of some like, so please let us send one document, okay, at least one page write up on your recent work in the
Okay, sir.
image encoding part and all. So BQ and all other stuff already on that, those are old topics for IBM, okay, so we are not working on those things.
Yeah.
But image one is pretty much new, and we have other projects, but I think we already got some good candidates for that those projects. Right now, we maybe I think you are suitable for this image encoding, and there are techniques like you already showed, like interest in quantum SVM and those things. Those things are essential for satellite image processing and many other things. So I can send your profile to them. Okay, so let us know bit more about you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Anything else, Richa?
That's it. I'm good.
Yeah. So all the very best, Sudikin, so for joining the meeting and all. Okay. So
Thank you so
let's,
much.
yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Any
Yep.
any question? Do you want to ask us
Yeah,
anything?
No, sir. No question. I was like expecting this meeting for a lot of time. I
Yeah, yeah.
am. Yeah. I.
I got a lot of messages from you in LinkedIn. You
Yes,
are
sir.
excited. Yeah. Thanks for that. And
Yes, sir.
let's hope for the best. Yeah.
Yes,
Sure.
sir. And sir, I'll give my best if they find me suitable and we could work on it. And I'll give
Yes,
full
yes.
time
Just show
also.
some demonstration of your work in
Yes, sir.
especially in the image encoding part. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And any of your machine learning QML, what you already told me, I am fine with this. I just need to convince the team, because our project mainly it already we got the best candidate for that. Okay,
Okay.
but already there are a few more projects where we want you. Okay, but
yeah,
for
because
that
you're
actually we need to
quite advanced.
for that we need to convince the team. Okay,
Okay. Okay, sir.
so this,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
They
Thank
may
you, ma'am.
have some interaction with you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
the other team might be taking another set of like call with you. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so that might be the case. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Okay.
Right.
Bye.